Hi, my name is Hajer. Welcome to Food Distribution University, or what we also call FDU, where you can watch educational and training videos about your entrée system at your own pace and time, using a computer, a tablet, or any mobile device. This video will give you a quick tour of FDU and how you can make the most of your subscription. Our goal is for you and your team to have greater control over your own learning and training. We will go through your account information, how to search for courses and lessons, how to start a course, and how to track your progress. Plus discussion boards, community pages, and how you can rate our courses so we can continue to give you quality content that works for you and your operations. So please follow along. Go to university.necs.com or click on this link and let's get started.
At this point, you should already have your own username and password to access FDU. If you do not, please click on this sign in button and then you can create a new account. If you have your username and password, then this is a good time to log in. Okay, great. You know you're logged in because you can see your name at the top right corner of the FDU website. So why don't we start here? When we click on the drop-down, we see My Account. And this is your profile. So here you can add an image, change some basic information if you wanted to. If you look to your top left, then we have these other options. What I want to specifically point out is your notification settings. So here you can change the emails that Food Distribution University sends to you. Be sure to hit this button, Save Changes, if you do make changes to this screen. So now let's click on this icon here where it says Entrée by NECS-Inc., and that will bring us to our homepage. And I want to point out 3 sections on our homepage that might be helpful to you. When you scroll down, you'll see our most recent classes. So these are the top 3 classes we've recently posted. So if you want to look at new classes, this is a good place to do it. You can of course view more than 3 if you click on this button. Then as you scroll down, you'll see categories. And these are courses broken down by course topics and company roles. So we have a lot of different categories, and this will make it easier for you to look for course topics. For example, you have a new customer service rep on board, and you want them to start watching lessons. So you may want to click on Invoicing and Sales. In the images that we have here, you'll see at the very top is the course category. And then we have the topics under that course category. And lastly, the company roles that might fit this category best. I'll click on this category. And at that point, it will bring you to the courses under that course category. So you can see here, we have a good amount of courses connected to invoicing and sales. So you can just scroll down to look for topics, or keep in mind that we have our search box here. So let's say you want something connected to invoice. So you can type your keyword and hit search. So then the courses connected to that keyword will come up. So here you can see we have Crash Course Create Change Invoice, and then we have a comprehensive Create and Change Invoice course. Please note that this screen is exactly the same screen as when you click on the All Courses up top. So here you can see the course categories exactly like the homepage, and then you have your search box. So clicking on the course category from the homepage brings you to this All Courses section. So now let's go back to our homepage. Now we're back to the course categories, and you can keep scrolling down. And at the very bottom, we have here access to the FDU Community Page. And this is just a quick link to that community page. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Now let's click on My Dashboard. So upon your subscription to FDU, you should see all the courses available to you in your dashboard. So earlier, I showed you 2 ways of searching for courses, by clicking on the homepage or by going to All Courses. You can pretty much do the same thing here on your dashboard. So these are just different ways of searching for course topics in your FDU site. But let's say you're on your dashboard and you want to search for a cash receipt course. So you can type up that keyword and hit search or enter. Now these are the courses connected to your keyword. So let's say you're from the accounts receivable department and you want to start learning about our cash receipt screen. So you have 2 options here. You can just start the course right away, or you can look at the overview of the course. I think it's a good idea to click on the See Overview so you can see what this course is all about. It will bring us to the homepage of that particular course. You have the course topic, enter cash receipts, and a quick description of what this course is about. When you scroll down, you'll see a What's in this course video. So these are 1 to 2 minute videos that gives you a quick overview of the course. And if you want to look into the more detailed outline, we have this course curriculum here. So here you can see we have 3 chapters. So if you click on this drop down, these are the lessons or videos under that chapter. And these videos are bite-sized, so you can watch them one video at a time. And we also have a quick information here about your instructor for that course. Now let's scroll up, and to enroll in a course, when you're ready to get started, just click on this button, Start Learning. So upon clicking that button, you'll be brought to the course itself. So right here, we see those videos that you see under the course curriculum. It will bring you to the very beginning of that chapter. So a few things about your video, you can maximize this and click on this full screen icon. And to get out of the full screen, just hit Escape. A lot of our videos also have closed captioning. So if you want to turn that on, you can do so. Just click on this button. To remove it, just click on it again. For some of our longer videos, like a Zoom class recording, you may be able to use this table of contents here. And the idea for the table of contents is that it gives you highlights of the videos. For our comprehensive courses, these videos are about 10 minutes in average, so we don't really have a table of contents. But for the Zoom class recordings, that's something you may want to watch out for. Of course, you can rewind or forward by using these icons here. You have your volume and then the play icon. So ideally, you'll watch these lessons in order. Once you're finished with one video, it will just automatically bring you to the next video. But you do have the ability to search the lessons. Maybe you just want a refresher on a specific topic. So you can start typing your keyword. And once you start typing, you'll see if there's a match on that keyword that you type. I typed right, and it came up with applying a write-off and bad debt, which is what I was looking for. So I'll click on this. And instead of going in order, it will just bring me straight to the video, and I can just watch that video on its own. So I really don't need to go through all the other videos. I can just search specific videos that I really want to learn. So that's how you can search for a lesson or a topic under a course. When you're finished on a video and you want to mark that you're finished, be sure to hit complete and continue. What that does is check that particular lesson as finished, and you can see up top that you've made your progress. You're 7% complete, and the percent is based on the amount of videos that's in this actual course. And then it will move you to the next lesson. Another thing to note is we have this discussion board here, this little icon on your top right. So for every lesson in a course, you have the ability to create a post. And if your post needs an answer, we will get back to you as soon as possible. But of course, this is also available to be answered by other food distributors, so this could be a really good space for us to learn from each other. Be sure to hit create once you're done with that post. So once you've posted that comment, it will show up here, and other users can click on it and respond. So as you can see now, there's one discussion on this particular lesson. You can go ahead and maximize this or bring yourself back to this format. So let's say the phone was ringing or you're done for the day. You can click on this icon, go to dashboard, and then it will bring you back to your dashboard. And courses that you've enrolled in will have this progress bar here. You're at 7% and you can just resume your course whenever you have the time. So if you want to go back to that course, you can click resume course and then you're brought back. What's also great about having your own username and password is that it remembers the exact place you're in on that video. So let's say you were in the middle of this video and you got interrupted. So let's go back to dashboards. When I go back to resume that course, it knows exactly where you stopped, that particular section on the video. So then all you have to do is hit play, maybe rewind for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can just jump right in. So you don't have to spend precious time looking for where you were in that particular lesson or video. Now from this dashboard, you also have access to community pages. So when we scroll down here after your courses, you have your communities. So you can click on this. This is a space where you can start discussions, brainstorm ideas, or give suggestions and feedback about your entrée system or maybe food distribution in general. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Last thing I want to mention is how you can rate the courses. Once you're at 100% on a course, you can then rate that course. Give a review title, a review text, and your rating, and submit that review. We love to hear from you and we want to know where we can get better, so please be sure to rate the courses. Now, if you need to contact us, there are a few ways you can do that. First is by clicking on this Contact Us button. We have all our contact information here, including email. You can also just fill out this contact form. Just be sure to hit submit at the bottom of the page. There's also a quick link to email us under your username. So under support, you can click on this. And as long as your email editor on your device is set up, then it will automatically direct you to fooduniversity@necs.com, and you can then compose your message. If you share a device or a computer with other users in your company, be sure to sign out and let them sign in with their own specific user account. Remember that your progress and your location in the videos are bookmarked. That's a really convenient feature. Be sure to make the most of that. And of course, I don't want to forget that on the footer of our FDU website, you have a quick link to our Facebook page and our Instagram page. So we are on social media and please follow us there.
And there you have it. Now you have a good overview of the features of Food Distribution University. We are so excited to have you here and we are looking forward to your feedback. See you soon and happy learning.